Welcome back to the DFWplumber.com Dallas Fort Worth Plumbing Podcast. I'm your host, Andrew, and today we're talking about the highway system of your home's plumbing, the main drain line and the branch drains that feed into it. Once you understand how these work together, you'll see why certain drains clog, why backups happen in odd places, and why one small blockage can affect multiple rooms. Let's start with the main drain line. The main line, sometimes called the building sewer, is the large pipe that carries all wastewater from your home to either the city sewer or a septic system. Every fixture you use eventually drains into this single pipe. In most DFW slab homes, the main line runs under the foundation. In pier and beam homes, it runs beneath the crawl space. It's typically 3 to 4 inches wide and handles everything your entire house produces. Now, what are branch drains? Branch drains are the smaller pipes coming from individual fixtures, sinks, showers, tubs, toilets, dishwashers, and washing machines. These smaller lines feed into larger branch lines, which then connect to the main line. Imagine a tree. Fixtures are leaves, small drains are branches, and the main line is the trunk. Why does the main line matter so much? Because if it clogs, everything above it has nowhere to go. Signs of a main line issue include multiple fixtures backing up, gurgling noises, water rising in the tub when you flush, sewage smells near drains, slow drains throughout the house, water overflowing from the outdoor cleanout. If more than one drain misbehaves, it's rarely a single sink trap, it's the main line. How branch drains affect each other. Ever wonder why a shower backs up when you flush the toilet? They share the same branch. If that shared section clogs, water from one fixture pushes into the other. The same applies to kitchen sinks and dishwashers, or washing machines and nearby drains. Common causes of mainline problems in DFW's tree roots, extremely common near older clay and cast iron systems. Cast iron deterioration. Rust and flaking create rough, snag-prone pipes. Grease buildup. Hardened grease narrows the line. Wipes and feminine products, even flushable wipes, don't break down bellies. Low spots caused by shifting North Texas soil. How plumbers diagnose mainline issues a licensed plumber may use. Sewer camera inspections, drain snakes or heavy cables, hydrojetting, exterior cleanouts, smoke testing if odor issues are involved. These tools reveal whether the line simply needs cleaning or if repairs are required. Understanding your drain layout helps you react quickly. If only one sink is slow, it's a local clog. If the toilet, sink, and tub in one bathroom are slow, that's the branch. If fixtures across the whole home are affected, that's the main line. Let's recap. The main line is the trunk of your plumbing system. Branch drains feed into it from each fixture. Main line clogs cause whole house symptoms. Branch clogs affect just one area. Common causes include roots, grease, wipes, and aging. Cast iron, camera inspections pinpoint the real issue. If you're seeing repeated backups, gurgling, or slow drains, visit dfwplumber.com to connect with a trusted local plumber in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Thanks for listening. I'm Andrew, and I'll see you in the next episode.